Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're drawing the loneliest boat in the world. So let's grab snack, get comfy, and let's set sail on this adventure. What are we drawing today? That will be a lonely boat on the water. And this scene is not just a pretty picture, it evokes such a deep emotions and feelings. And it's something truly magical about a boat gently bobbing on the waves and the water and all these reflections on the water. All right, let's get into the fun part, sketching. I'm starting with a light lines as usually, and I am just indicating where my boat will be, and I want it to be slightly off center to emphasize its loneliness. And as a sketch, I think about now the color shouldn't be too bright or anything like that, because alone the loneliness of this boat makes me feel lonely as well. And in my feelings, in my opinion, there shouldn't be too much colors. So I will keep it calm and not really bright, and maybe using some soft colors but not too much. And also don't forget about reflections on the water. So reflections will be there as well, as they're supposed to be, but they shouldn't be bright, as we decide to not using any bright colors today. The boat is becoming more defined as a darker its edges gets, and it makes a little like pop. And there's where the drawing truly comes to life, and it's incredible how a few strokes can evoke some strong feelings of solitude and peace. This drawing isn't about just a boat, it's about the emotions it stirs with us. Nature has so beautiful way of reminding us of our solitude, and it can be incredibly inspiring. And now is the moment we've been waiting for, the final touches. Look at this transformation from the blank page to the final scene. So there you have it. We've gone from just an idea to complete artwork, and the sculptures they essentially a lonely boat on the water. And now I'd love to hear from you. What are your experiences with sunsets? Have you ever felt the same peacefulness? Please drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to check out my other drawing videos. Let's keep exploring the world of art together, and come back and draw with me again and again. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other videos on sketching techniques and nature drawing. Thanks for watching and happy sketching. Bye bye guys.